Okay, happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday. So you've had, for your bell ringer, you had more ACAP practice. If you notice again, we moved up to some fifth grade questions. Yay, fifth grade questions. So this would have been like you did last year on the ACAP test. Okay, so let's look at it. The table shown has two patterns. Pattern X starts with 4 and follows the rule add 4. Pattern Y starts with 2 and follows the rule multiply by 2. Complete the table by filling in the missing values. Okay, this should be easy enough. 4, 8, 12, 16. What would come after 16? Hopefully you knew a 20 went there. And then this one is multiply by 2. 2, 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Fifth grade question. Okay. All right, moving on. A bucket of 18 wooden tiles contains the following: 8 blue squares, 5 green rectangles, 2 red quadrilaterals, 3 yellow rhombuses. What is the smallest possible number of rectangles in the bucket? So we've got to remember what rectangles are. Okay, a rectangle is a rectangle, but a square is also a rectangle. Squares qualify as rectangles. They're just a little bit more specific. They have 4 equal sides, but they still meet all the requirements for a rectangle. Okay, so what is the smallest possible number of rectangles in the bucket? So we know all of these squares are rectangles, so that's 8. And we know all of the rectangles are rectangles. But the quadrilaterals may not be rectangles. A quadrilateral could just be any 4-sided shape. It could be something like that, okay? 4 sides, but some weird shape. So we're gonna cross that one out. And the 3 rhombuses, rhombus is like a square, but it looks like it's been squished, like a box that's been squished over, like that. That's not a very good one, but you kind of get the idea. So we're gonna take that one out. That does not qualify as a rectangle. So we have 8 squares and we have 5 rectangles, so that would be 13. So somewhere in your box, you would click the 1 and the 3 to make 13. Okay, so fifth grade question. Let's look at another fifth grade question. Plot 7, 5, and 0, 3 on the coordinate plane. And he gives you lots of instructions. It says draw a line segment between the points. So we're gonna have to practice on the ACAP website, but to plot 7, 5, we would go over 7 and up 5 and plot a point there. And then, what was the other one? 0, 3. So 0 on the x-axis, 3 on the y-axis. And then it says to draw a line segment. So I think there's some kind of tools, like this little tool right here. You're gonna click that, and I'm not exactly sure, but you would like drag it between those 2 points, and we'll practice it on the actual website when we get closer to the test. Okay, all right, those were your 3 bell ringers for today. All right, I'll see you in the next video.